Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable Wi-Fi hotspot in your Lenovo A7. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be want to give a Wi-Fi from your mobile to your friends or family. In this case, how you can enable Wi-Fi hotspot in your Lenovo A7. It's really easy and simple. Go over, click on swipe up, and you will find here all apps. You need to click here setting. After click on setting, you will find here network and internet. If you click that, you will see there is something called hotspot and tweeting. If you click that, you will find here Wi-Fi hotspot. After click over there, you will get here something called off, which is Wi-Fi hotspot. If you want to enable, you can easily click here turn on, and then you will find here hotspot name. You can easily customize any name if you want. Also, if you want to advanced security section, if you want to hotspot password, you can choose the password you want. You can type here any password, whatever password you want to set, and it lets your friend going to connect. Whenever they connect, they need to type this password. You can easily click here OK, and now you can see you can easily turn it on, and then you can see successfully my phone Wi-Fi hotspot on, and my friends and family, they can get Wi-Fi from my phone. If you want to off, you can easily click here off, and then your phone going to be turned off Wi-Fi hotspot. Also, you can go another way, turn on or off Wi-Fi hotspot. Just simply swipe like this, and then you will find here this icon. If you click that, your phone Wi-Fi hotspot going to be turned on. If you click over there, your phone Wi-Fi hotspot going to be turned off. So within this way, you can easily set up Wi-Fi hotspot in your Lenovo A7. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.